Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back in the Woodsty. We got a nice piece of myoporum log here that I'm going to make another handle. I'm going to be flush with handles when this project is done. I'm going to start with this one. And I'm waffling between a curved skew or negative rake scraper and a rounded one. I like to reverse turn sometimes, so it's nice to be able to work on either side of a bowl. So this is a tool I made a few years ago. I need to clean this thing up, but it's a negative rake rounded scraper, big fat scraper. And I might make a little baby brother to this one, or baby sister. Are tools boys or girls? Who knows? So I'm leaning towards a curved negative rake scraper. A little smaller size to this guy. So that's, I think, what we're going to do today.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Zed's Janky Mediocre Tool Build Episode 4. Today's handle is being made from a piece of myoporum, also known as the boobiala tree. On a tangential note, did you all know that ZW once interviewed for a job at a carpentry shop? They did not select him for the position because he didn't understand what they meant when they asked for a stool sample. Dear Woodsty fans, it is because of your insane habit of continuing to watch these videos that we continue to make them. Please be sure to give some indication that you are in fact still watching. Hit the thumbs buttons, leave a comment, share with a friend, support a sponsor, or send a super chat. Enjoy the show.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance.
I'm gonna make this now, and then I'm gonna use this to help shape the handle. It's probably still really fat. The final will be more in line with that. I like this. This is a good shape. So hopefully that's how this will turn out. We'll see.
You're too green, hey troublemaker. Step away before I
I think the drill bit I just used is one of the ones that I destroyed when I drilled this out. And so I thought it was somehow funny to burn the hole instead of drill it with the drill bit I destroyed. So it's all part of the process. The negative rake round scraper. Is that the accurate name, or is it a round skew? It's probably not a skew, it's probably a scraper. I really enjoyed making this one, and I liked using it to embellish the handle here. It's a little fatter, but you know, gotta have some fun. Use the beater, use the skew, and use the roughing gouge. So every tool I've made so far went into making this tool, so that's fun. Here's the set. Got our bead, got our roughing gouge, got our skew. What's left? Number 3 and number 4, we've got this is either going to be a Badan, a parting tool, or a 3-point tool. I think the first person to recommend that was Doug Miller, and I'm intrigued by that tool, but I'm also intimidated by making it. But it sounds like if I use a nut to sort of set the sides, I can get the 3 sides pretty even. I need to get my head around that. So I'm going to chew on that one over the week. I still don't know what I'm doing with this one. The simple thing is to just make another, to make an intermediate sibling to this one. Let's go bigger. For a moment I had a psychosis and I thought like a bunch of beads and just do a bunch of beading tools, and you could do like a smaller version of this in one cut. But that seems silly. So anyway, if anyone has an amazing idea for this, I'm all ears, and we're just going to continue plowing through. And then once we're done with all 5, we've got something that I think is going to pull the whole project together. And that item that I'm waiting for got shipped to the wrong address, so I ordered another one, and one or the other or both should be here this week. So hopefully when I make this tool or that tool, I will tie the whole project together in a way that I think is quite interesting. So alright, thanks for watching. Go make some sawdust, be safe, gather or share inspiration, all that good stuff. And we'll see you guys next week with another episode in this series. And then once the tools are all done, I have a nice piece of eucalyptus wood I found that I think will make a good first bowl with the tools. Now I know Eric Menifee wants me to use these tools on the type of wood he can never pronounce called Ceanothus, and I do intend to do that eventually, but I want to try on something not quite as destructive tools, and then we'll go from there. So that's kind of the net plan for the coming future. Have a good week.